Okay, class, good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Before we proceed to our topic, I have a classroom rules. First, always clean your area before the teachers come. Second, when the teacher is talking in front of the class, do not talk with your seatmates. Third, always pay respect to everyone inside the classroom. And fourth, pay attention when the teacher is discussing. And last, raise your hand if you want to ask or answer the teacher. So, what do you think is our lesson for today is gonna
Lines.
about
Lines.
lines. About lines. So I have prepared. I have something. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung mga lines, guys? Class,
Yes.
alam niyo ba kung ano yung lines?
Yeah.
Marunong ba kayo kung ano yung mga lines?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Kung ganun. May pa-activity ako, guys. Class, rather. Our topic for today is all about lines. So, sino yung makaka-trace ng number 1? Sino makaka-trace ng number 1? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Trace. Trace. Oh, sige na, share din ko na. Trace. Trace mo lang. Ano ito ba? Dalawa yun. Okay, very good. Next, Juliana. Next, ikaw ulit. Oh, next. Juliana, ikaw ulit. Okay, very good. Thank you for your trace. Okay. So, what is this? What is this, class? This is a vertical
Line.
line. Oh, this one. What is this?
Horizontal.
Horizontal line. This one. What is this?
Zigzag line.
Okay, very good. Zigzag line. This one. What is this?
Diagonal line.
Okay, diagonal
Line.
line. So, what is line? Line, class, is the path of point moving through spaces. So, I have 5 types of line. First is
Vertical line.
vertical line. Second, horizontal line. Third,
Diagonal line.
diagonal lines. Fourth,
Zigzag line.
zigzag lines, and last,
Curved line.
curved lines. So I have here some example of line. What is line again?
Line the path of line point moving through space.
Okay, very good. Line is the path of point moving through space. So first is vertical lines. Vertical lines are straight up and down lines that are moving in space without any slant and are perpendicular to horizontal lines. So they suggest height and strength because they extend towards the sky and seem unshakable. So, ang vertical lines daw po, nakapatayo lang. Although, ang horizontal lines are straight lines parallel to the horizontal that move left to right. They suggest with distance, calmness, and stability. So, ang horizontal line, parang vertical lines lang naman yan. Kaso, ang horizontal line, ang pinagkaiba ng horizontal line sa vertical line is, itong horizontal line nakapahiga at ang vertical line is nakatayo. Okay, very good. So, the third one is diagonal lines. Diagonal lines are straight that slant in any direction except horizontal and vertical lines. They can convey action and excitement as well as restlessness and anxiety. So, ang diagonal line ay iba sa vertical and horizontal. Kasi ang diagonal is paslanting, patabingi, kumbaga tabingi. Kung ang vertical lines ay patayo lang, ang horizontal lines ay pahiga. Ang diagonal is patagilid or paslanting. Okay, very good. Number 4 is zigzag line. Zigzag line are a series of diagonal lines joined at end. They can convey action and excitement as well as zigzag line are a series of diagonal lines joined at the end. So, zigzag line, they can simply wavy or spiral. Such lines convey the feelings of comfort and ease as well as sensual quality as the round of the human body. So, ang zigzag line daw is ganito, zigzag line. Ibang-iba sa tatlo. Kung yung tatlo parehas lang yung may pagkakahawig itong tatlo, itong zigzag line ay kakaiba. Okay, class? Do you understand?
Yes po.
Okay, very good. The last one is curved line. So, curved line are lines that bend and change direction gradually. They can be simply wavy or spiral. Such lines convey the feelings of comfort and ease as well. So, ang curved line is
Paalon.
sa dagat, paalon. Ang example ng curved line is paalon sa dagat. That's all. Class, did you understand our topic for today?
Yes po.
Also, ano ang topic natin for today?
Line.
Line. So, what is line?
Line the path of point moving through space.
Okay, very good. What is the 5 types of line? What is the 5 types of line? 5 types of line, what?
Vertical line, horizontal line, diagonal line, Zigzag, curved line.
Okay, very good. Very good. It seems that you really understand our lesson today. Give yourself a barangay clap. Very good. So, class, since you've already understand our lesson, I will give you an activity which is a group activity. So, dahil dalawa lang kayo, MIG activity kaming dalawa. Okay? All you have to do is to create a drawing with use of lines. It's up to you if you will draw certain people's face, animals, houses, or something that you see around us. After that, you will present our output in the class. Suway. Output in the class and tell the importance of lines and shapes in your drawing. Are we clear, class? Are we clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Lagi mo na. Hindi ba yung video mo? Hindi po sa lagi. I'm giving you 5 minutes to draw and another 5 minutes to present kung ano yung ano. Okay, class? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, next is evaluation. Next activity ulit tayo. Ngayon, sa direction, bring out a sheet of paper and draw the following. Dahil wala kayong paper, dito nyo na lang gagawin kung ano yung nasa loob. Horizontal, vertical, zigzag, diagonal, and curved lines. Gagawin nyo dito kung ano yung tinutukoy. Sa number 1, 2, 3, hanggang 5. Who wants to answer? Okay. Horizontal line. Okay, very good. Next, vertical line. Vertical line. Patayo. Number 3, zigzag line. Diagonal. And last, curved lines. Okay, very good. So, tandaan class kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng mga lines like vertical, horizontal, diagonal, zigzag, or curved lines. Also, tandaan kung ano yung 5 types of line, guys. Ulitin nga natin kung ano yung 5 types of line.
Vertical line, diagonal.
Pakilakasan po. First is
Vertical line, horizontal line,
diagonal.
zigzag line.
Last?
Curve.
Okay, very good class. Thank you for your participation. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Paano?